Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to safely blow dry your hair at home. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair that I allowed to dry overnight, but it's about 75% dry right now. The tool that I'll be using today is the Baby Bliss Pro Porcelain Ceramic Blow Dryer. It is an ionic hair dryer, meaning negative ions eliminate frizz causing static. And then the porcelain ceramic ensures even heat distribution to reduce hot spots. And then it uses infrared heat that protects hair luster. Out of the packaging, this is what the blow dryer looks like. It has a cold shot button as well as 6 heat speed settings. Now, I always blow dry my hair using a comb attachment. That's because it makes the process a lot easier and it helps to better straighten my hair as it dries. Now, this is something you will have to purchase separately because it does not come with the hair dryer. Working in medium-sized sections, I'm going to first finger detangle my hair, then add heat protectant. Now, I'm using the Kara Starter Macadamia Heat Protection Gloss, and once that's applied evenly throughout, I'll use my Felicia brush to remove any remaining kinks. After setting the temperature to high and the speed to fast, I'm going to begin the blow drying process. Now, I mentioned previously that this dryer uses infrared technology, which gently and evenly releases the heat, allowing the hair to dry faster. So that makes me a lot more comfortable using the highest setting on the dryer. Now, even though I'm using the comb attachment, I'm still incorporating the tension method by grabbing the ends of my hair and pulling it until it stretches to its full length as I work my way down my hair shaft with the comb attachment. Now, doing this makes my hair become straighter and it allows me to avoid snags. This next step is probably the most crucial. Now, once my hair is fully stretched, I'm going to change the temperature setting to cold. Now, the cold air will cool my hair down and not only seal the cuticle of my hair shaft, but it will also give it a smooth, shiny finish and lock in any moisture that didn't escape during the hot dry. Now, I never skip this step because I can honestly say once I start using the cold air, I feel my hair becoming smoother as I run my hands through it. Before moving on to the next section, I place large bobby pins or alligator clips from root to tip to keep my hair stretched as I finish drying the rest of my hair. Okay, taking you all through that step again, I'm going to start off with my medium-sized section of hair. Finger detangle it, then detangle it with my Felicia brush. After I'm done with that, I'm going to apply my heat protectant evenly throughout. Grab my blow dryer, turn it on hot and high. Gather the ends of my hair, pull it to create tension, and then begin blow drying my hair using the comb attachment. And I like to hit my roots from several different angles just to make sure I get it as straight as possible. Now I'm going to change the setting over to cold, which will help close my cuticles and seal in any moisture that did not previously escape, which will again make my hair a lot shinier and smoother. This next step is optional, but I'm going to further seal in any moisture using this grapeseed oil. Now, I love grapeseed oil because it is very lightweight and leaves my hair feeling so soft and smooth. So I'm just going to apply a small amount of that to that section of hair. Then I again place the hairpins down my hair shaft to keep my hair stretched as I move on to the next section. And I just continued those same steps until I finished my very last section. And once I was done with that, I'm just removing all of the bobby pins and hair clips. And then I'll take my Felicia brush and brush it out a bit. And here are the final results. Nicely elongated and shiny, bouncy hair that's ideal for easy styling. Now, I rarely style my hair in its reverted state, and this is one of 2 methods that I use to safely stretch my hair. With my hair being blown out to this extent, I can easily manipulate it, which eliminates breakage, and it just makes the entire styling process much simpler and easier. I blow dry my hair once a month and have been doing so for years and never experienced any damage. It's very important to use the correct tools and techniques when caring for your hair. I will leave product details down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.